This is our school, Srednja šola Venopilon Ajdovština. It is a secondary school located in Ajdovština. It is surrounded by a nice exterior which has just been renovated and a pleasant interior. Our school runs two programs, a grammar school program and a vocational school program where students study for the profession of kindergarten teachers. Our school is small, there are only 496 students. School system in Slovenia is divided in three stages: kindergarten from age 1 to 6, primary school from age 6 to 15, and secondary school from age 15 to 18 or 19 or 20. Those who want more knowledge can continue at different universities from the age of 18 on. Our schools are free of charge except for the private schools. There's also an option of homeschooling, but those children still have to pass certain exams to prove their progress, though the majority of the youth is involved in the regular system. Dress code is rather free in Slovenia. We don't wear uniforms and we're allowed to wear any piece of garment we like as long as it's decent. The student-teacher relationship is very professional but still personal enough. We care for one another. Teachers are always there to help us when we need them. In our school, there is practically no violence whatsoever, mostly just lovely relationships. Our lessons start at 7:10 in the morning and generally last till 2 o'clock. We have a variety of different subjects such as biology, chemistry, physics, computer science, etc. We also have an opinion to choose between French, Italian, and German. English and Slovene are obligatory. You can optionally eat a warm meal at the school's cafeteria or bring your own packed lunch. Secondary education is completed with a set of exams known as the Matura exams and comprises the information we learn in 4-year period. Excursions, cultural and sport events are part of our curriculum. The point of these events is to acquire new information and to visit places of great importance.